Alright guys, welcome back again. Now in this video we're going to do pagination, okay? I've added some category and I'm going to add few of products. So when I add product, um if data gets, like like 10 or 15, it'll be huge. Okay, like if it's get hundreds, it'll be hard to look. Okay, so we want some pagination like one two like that. Okay, like you can see in Google search also there is like 110. Okay, so we want to do that. After we'll do, you'll see how what we do, what we'll do. Okay, let's add some product. Okay, let's have some file. Let's go in desktop. All right, let's have chair. Okay, I've already added that comfort. Okay, let's have price, and let's have title chair 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 for office, let's say, and let's submit that. Right, so we want to have, like, 5 data per page. Watch it. All right, let's remove our mail. I have actually changed the SMTP, uh, let's so it's not, it's saying it's not correct. Okay, let's right now, do this. All right, let's refresh. You'll add two. That's all right. We'll add few more. Let's have some file. Yeah, I want to have monitor. Okay, I will say Apple monitor. What is that? All right, and price. It might be, I don't know how much. We'll say electrical appliances and submit that. So we have now one, two, three, four, five, six data. Let's add few more. One. Okay, now one, only one data more. Okay, let's say shoe. All right, and we'll say shoes, category, price, 7 cents, whatever. Okay, and we'll say leather shoe. All right, and let's submit. Now we have, a bit more data. Okay, so we want to have pagination. Okay, so let's do pagination. So for that, this is our product, and we seen our data from, this index. Yeah, so we just have to move get and do paginate. It's simple. Okay, it's basic, and we'll say 5. All right, let's say that it will show 5 data only. See, now we want to have, some links here, like which page we want to go to. Okay, for that, let's go here. Okay, this is pagination documentation of, Laravel, and yeah, it has done. You can see here similar thing. Okay, we have done. All right, and let's copy this, and let's go where let's go to our, which is, this page is last, which is welcome, maybe. Yeah, let's go to resource views, wherever that product is, shown. This is in welcome. How I know? Because this is in welcome. All right, view welcome, and we'll say after table, um and that is we have here products. All right, let's copy that. Let's paste that, save it, let's refresh. All right, you can see that. Okay, here. So when you add, the number gets increased. Okay, that's how it works. All right, so let's have that in sender. Okay, uh div, and all right, we'll say class is equals to, maybe style. Let's do style is equals to margin auto. All right, let's refresh. Margin zero auto. I don't know. British, yes. Margin left Let's do 40%. This will bring maybe towards center. Yeah, that's good, you know. All right, so that's how we can do. Okay, that's all about pagination. We can also do like previous next. You can set data. You can go to actually in documentation. All right, where is that? Yeah, you can customize like URL. Like we have here page one. You can see there it'll be page two. All right, like that. It is customizable, and there are many things you can do like this. You can see you'll have like total data per page, you know, many things. Okay, you can do that. Like you can also pattern it using vue. I mean vue like vue.js. Okay, and that's how you can do. All right, that's it maybe. You can also do like results count. Let's do dollar products count. What it also will see. And let's go here and refresh five. Okay, there is five. Let's go to another page and it will say two because we have only two data in this page. All right, that's how we can do. And like this. Okay, that's it. And the results count give you how much data, how many data you have in current page, but results total. Let's do that too, and let's end this video. Total will give you total data. Okay, completely like we have seven. All right, like this. Whichever page you go. All right, that's how we do. Thank you guys for if you enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.